guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my Valentine's Day home tour. So we're starting outside and I've cleaned up all the Christmas decor and just left out this little welcome mat where it says home with a little heart. And this is always out when it's not Christmas time, and it has some lights in there that light up at night on a timer. And then I have this wreath that I purchased last year at Target. It is from the Christmas decor. I did notice it wasn't available this year, so I'm so happy that I did get one. I do have a DIY Valentine's Day wreath tutorial planned. Not sure if it's gonna happen, but hopefully it will. Let's go ahead and go in the house. We're starting here at the entryway, and this season is a little difficult. It's kind of like still winter, not spring, but you're not too sure what to put out. So I start with Valentine's Day decorations and some winter decorations. I did put this flower, I changed the lighting, hopefully that's better. I did put this flower out here. I just think it kind of flows. I left the Christmas lights that were there because I feel like it gets really dark in the hallway, and I kind of like the way they look, and I don't have a problem with having Christmas lights up all the time. And then I brought back this sign that says no place like home, and over here I left this deer, this kind of like silver and gold deer that I really like. And here I have a catch-all for the keys and a heart-shaped dish filled with Hershey's Kisses with almonds. And this is pretty much the entryway. I kept it really simple, neutral, and I really like it. Moving along to the living room. I do live in Texas, but I have these palm trees. They actually go in my backyard, but these palm trees are meant for warm climate like Mexico, but my husband and I really wanted them, so we've had to bring them in because it does freeze here once in a while and they could die. So I think they kind of look cute there. Have to figure out what to put there when we do move the palm trees back outside, but for now I'm kind of digging it. And from my last tour that I did, which I think was my Christmas tour, I have purchased some pillows. They're not Valentine's Day themed, but I thought they were super cute and I want to share them with you. I did not film a haul for them, so these actually, this first one I've already had from Target. This middle one and this back one are brand new. They're from Home Goods, which I love Home Goods, and the quality of them is amazing. They feel like feather pillows. They feel like the couch. They're just really great quality, and they were kind of expensive. We're like $50 each. I think that's expensive for Home Goods, but I'm sure those pillows were probably like $100 each regular price. We also have this throw that's from West Elm that I love so much. It's so warm and so cozy. The dogs fight over sleeping on it. And then we also have this throw, also from West Elm, but the quality isn't as good as the other one for some reason. And then over here we have the same setup. So moving back to Valentine's Day decorations, I have this tray here that's always displayed on my little ottoman, and I have fresh roses. I actually probably need to get rid of them in a couple of days. They've been here for almost a week. They were like $6 at Trader Joe's, and I just love the color, so I got them for myself. Here I have a candy dish filled with peanut M&Ms in Valentine's Day colors, red, white, and pink. I used to have a candy dish here, but my dog Sebastian is a terror. And then I have this little love sign that I don't even know where I got that from, but I just thought it completed this little look. Moving on to my mantle. Again, with the mantle, it's kind of an interesting time of the year, so I wanted to do a little Valentine's Day. I have this birchwood tree, and I did purchase this last year when I purchased the wreath that was on the front door, and they don't have them this year. I'm very shocked. Target usually has these every single year, and for some reason I didn't see them this year, not even online. but I have a very large one there, and I had another one next to it, but I needed it for my table, so I purchased this gold heart, and I think it's cute. It kind of reminds me of Valentine's Day, so I bought that at Ross for like $5. I thought it was a steal, and I was super excited to find it. And then I have these letters here that were from my Valentine's Day decor haul. They were from Michael's. They do light up, and I didn't put batteries in them, so right now the E is the only one that will light up. So lame, I know. Sorry guys. I didn't prepare very well, but I will purchase the batteries, and then all of them will light up and it'll look super cute. And then here's the garland that I shared on my haul. It's from Target, it's Opal House, and I think it looks really cute. I feel like I can take this garland into the spring. Over here I have glass jars, and that first jar I shared in my Valentine's Day haul from this year. The jars behind there are from my hot cocoa bar. You can find those at Home Goods or TJ Maxx, and I just filled them with gold. Moving on to my dining room, I kept it very simple. I only purchased a couple of new things. The table runner is from After Christmas Sale, Target, and then those red Christmas tree, looking like Christmas trees, match the one from the Mantle, and they were also from last year's Valentine's Day decorations. It was my birthday this past week, so my husband gave me roses, and I thought they would make a lovely centerpiece. I did want to share something that is new, and it's these plates. I love them so much. They're so cute. They're from Crate & Barrel, and they come in a pack of 4 for $20, and I just love them. I think that they make the table just pop like Valentine's Day. Moving on to my buffet table, I just have this lantern filled with these are old. They're from Michael's, and they're Valentine's Day ornaments. I will share all my Valentine's Day videos below, so if you want to have more ideas, you can. They're from last year's video, and I just filled them up here. I also have some lights right here, and they light up around 6 o'clock when it gets dark. And I have this little love sign. I think I got that at Hobby Lobby. And then that other heart stand thingy is old, super old. That's everything from the dining room and buffet table. I think it looks really cute. Just little pops of red and Valentine's Day. So let's move to the kitchen. There's only 2 things in the kitchen. One of them is these Oreo cookies. I used to have a cookie jar here that I changed out, and these are special edition Valentine's Day Oreo cookies. They have pink in the middle. I haven't tasted them yet, but Sean did, and he said that they weren't very good, so I guess they can just be decorations. Now we're at my hot cocoa bar, and I drink hot cocoa probably every night. It's like my tea, but I just drink hot chocolate. I did change it out from my Christmas hot cocoa bar. I wanted to have more blush pinks in there. I bought those pink cups that say crazy, and then the other one says in love, from Target. The cup on the Keurig is actually old from last year, and then I took off any of the red that was there before and just put Valentine's Day candy in the large candy jar. And then over here I have pink and white marshmallows, and then behind there in this pink little container I have the hot cocoa Keurigs that I actually use every night, and then that one's just kind of like decoration. That's all I have to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and got some inspiration to decorate for Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!